Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we solve mobile internet problem setting. Guys, you have your internet problem setting in your Redmi phone, and friends, you don't like this setting guys, you want to solve this problem in your Redmi phone. So when how to solve mobile network problem in this video I will show you. Means your internet problem how can we solve in our Redmi phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your internet problem in your Redmi phone. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So when how can you solve your internet problem? So when scroll friends, you can see guys your phone more setting as tab. Here this more setting option. Then yes, you can see scroll friends, you can see your network reset setting as tap here, and yes, you can see reset setting as tap here. Then yes, you can see draw your pattern, means confirm with your pattern. So you have any password, so you will have to enter your password. Friends, you have any pattern lock, so you draw your pattern. So I will draw my pattern to solve this problem, and like okay option guys tap here, and we will off our screen. After 5 seconds, we will turn off our screen, and guys your problem will solve in your Redmi phone. And guys now you can use guys your phone internet setting. And guys if you have any another problem related to guys your internet setting, so guys don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.